Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video guys, I have another Dior beauty unboxing for you guys, and this is their new release beauty products fall collection 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I get the receipt in here, and yeah, that's not a receipt, it's like a return slip. I will do also a swatch for you guys so you can see. So card, and this is all the items inside guys. So I got a free items as well. If you purchase 100 pounds you got a free items, and let's start with this one. This is another pouch. I do have another pouch like this, another red color. I've been collecting all these pouches from Dior or Chanel, from any other brand, and I like the details around here. So it's really nice red color. So the next is this one as well, is free. This is a Dior Maximizer 3D mascara. Let's see. Oh, I have like this from Chanel as well. I don't know. I didn't use those kind of thing. I don't know. Maybe you should put this one first before your mascara. So yeah, it's really nice. 24-hour longer. 24-hour curl, 3 times volume, 43% length. And what else in here? So let's other one over here, the free that I received. So this one is, I choose Miss Dior Roses and Roses and Miss Dior Perfume. I don't know which the difference with this. They're the same Miss Dior but different packaging, as you can see guys. Yeah. Next is, I have 2 items in here. This is as well the Lamousse on and off foaming cleanser. Perfect for travel size guys. That's why I've been like purchasing online now, so I can have free items from them. So the next one is this Eden Rock, another perfume. I always get this kind of perfume now, the 7 ml I think, and I'm trying to collect most of a collection for this. I don't see anything the lucky one, but I do have the win that I want to give away. I do have those. So those are the free items that I picked for if you purchase 100. So this one is the mascara guys. This is, like I said, this is the Dior beauty fall collection for the beauty. This is the mascara volume and volume curl and mascara. So this is the red color, they call brick I think, and hopefully I can pull this out. And really look at that guys. I can't try this one for you guys, but when I'm doing my makeup I will use this one, and it does look the, as you can see, let me put this one guys. As you can see that the brush itself, it's so thick, so it hopefully it gives you more volume. So yeah, the packaging is really nice as well, and I like this Dior name everywhere. It's very simple, sleek. Dior show iconic over curl. So put that one is, and then this one is the next is the lipstick, their newest lipstick, the Rouge Dior Forever. Open it. I will do swatches for you guys because I can. And also it says that this is like a forever, like 24 hour. So I pick shade Forever Together. It's a reddish brownish, guys, and I have a lot of red, and so this one I want to show that red and brownish for fall lipstick. It's really nice. So I swatch for you guys, and like I said, this is like their 24-hour proof or 16 hours, I'm not sure. I tried to look up in here, I can't see. Intense couture color, transfer proof lipstick, bare lip comfort. So this is a transfer proof. Let me have a tissue in here so we'd see if it's a transfer proof. So I have tissue, guys. Let's see if it's, I just tap the lipstick if it's a really not removing it. Nope, I still can see that lipstick in here. So I don't know what is this. It says in here transfer proof. So yeah, the packaging, it's very matte. It's different from the other lipstick. Some of the lipstick case, it's shiny. Yeah, but this one it's not. It's more matte. It's really cute though. I think I prefer this one. It looks so clean, and yeah, it looks so nice packaging for me. So the next item that I purchased from them is the newest again, the 5 colors couture of eyeshadow. There you go, the packaging as well. It's sleek, and that's Christian Dior in here. And this is, I choose 889 Reflection. This is the satin. So I just don't want to see my face. So this is the color, guys, Dior, and it comes with 2 brushes in here. Let me see, put that one in. The brush, it's orange, and it's really cute that it has CD everywhere, but like I said, the brush, it looks so flinchy, and it looks, doesn't look much cheap, but I can tell it's, yeah, it just really, for me it's okay. It's not that bad kind of brush. And this is, like I said, the eyeshadow, guys. As you can see, this is, let me remove that. Let me find something to cover up that mirror. So that's what it looks like. I do almost have similar eyeshadow for this. So this is, it's like a shiny gold, the bronze one, red, and light brown and dark brown over here. And it's really nice. It has the name Dior for this. It's really cute. And let's do the swatch, guys. Let's do the orange one. That's really very satin. This one is the satin, and this is like a bronze color. I've been loving bronze lately, guys, so that's what it is. Good thing I didn't buy any eyeshadow yet from Dior, because I was getting the one in like Dior Rivera, because it seems like it's a nice collection as well. But that's one's the red, doesn't so much like redness at all. So let's see this. That one is good. It's not, like I said, it's more satin, guys. It's not so obvious. You can see in the last one, the brown one. Swaps in here. Let me put this side. Oh, it's really dark. It's really dark. I can see that it has like a shimmery, all of it, but it's not so obvious. Where I like wearing like this during a nighttime anyway, so like a little bit of shiny shimmer. These two, I like this too. The red, I don't really care about the red much. And this one, I use this one inside of my lid. And this one as well, like this one on my to shimmer it. So yeah, I put swatches all over my hand, guys. That's pretty much it, all I got from this Dior newest collection, the beautiful collections. And there you guys, if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.